Now, let's speak now to Tim Pagliara, Chief Investment Officer at CapWealth. Look, markets have closed higher in the last 2 consecutive weeks in a row. Do we think that we're going to see the same thing happen this week?
Well, I think the rest of the year is going to be a little mixed. The market is expecting the quarter-point rate cut this week by the Fed. There's also a lot of concern about valuation now in the AI sector and some of the cross-pollination of the debt between all of these companies. And so I think investors are going to be very reflective as they go into the close of the year, the beginning of next year. So that doesn't necessarily lend itself to a big ripping upward market.
And what do we think going into the end of the year? I mean, we saw that big blockbuster deal on Friday. Have we seen the end of big M&A for the year, or do we think there's still a little bit more room?
I think we go into this period where it's very difficult to do M&A in the last couple of weeks of December, obviously. But the calendar is very full going into the first half of next year. There's a lot to be excited about. It will be kind of a tipping point because we'll see as some of these AI companies come to the market for equity for the first time as they try to move a little bit away from debt. The U.S. economy is very strong right now. And so I am very positive going into the first half of next year.
Tim, we're going to have to leave it there, but thank you so much for coming on the program.